Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and this is the sheer tinted lip balm that I have been searching for. I found this COOLA brand earlier this summer, and I have fallen in love with it. I love that it's lightly tinted because I'm not comfortable wearing a lot of color on my lips, so I went with a sheer color that's close to my skin tone, just to give me a little extra in the summertime, like if I'm going out. I like that I don't have to constantly reapply it. It leaves my lips feeling soft and smooth. This does have a broad spectrum SPF 30 rating to it, which is really helpful for me because I'm bad at remembering to put sunscreen on, but at least my lips are protected. The ingredients are also 70% organic and it's made in the USA. My lips have been so happy since using this COOLA lip balm, and I think yours will too. That's just my point of view.